Well, hi, good morning, and thank you so much for joining me. Today is the 19th of May, and I've got a little bit of time to do some more work on this radio, and there's a little bit of work sitting here. There's just 1, 2, 3 wax capacitors and 1 electrolytic to be changed out. I think I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I don't have a schematic. I'm not going to do anything fancy. Just going to take out each capacitor, see what size it is, and replace it like for like. And then we'll see how well this radio works. Once again, I'm rushed today. The weather is fantastic. I have lots of things to do outside, so I'll make this kind of quick. Okay, that's 4 capacitors in. 1, 2, 3, and the electrolytic one here. Wow, I've forgotten how fast I can do this work when I don't have a camera running. Holy smokes. Yeah, this would have taken me an hour with the camera running. Sure that's soldered properly. Yep, that's good. Okay, we're gonna give the radio a test here and see if it still works. I have to go and switch on the antenna first. Okay, I think we're ready to give it a go here. So, volume is down. Here we go. Watching the bulbs. Whoosh, really quick. No wonder. I had the volume, I had the voltage up pretty high there. There we go. 96. Quite a distinct low hum in the radio. Yeah, coming up. Okay, let's tune around. How about we make sure the antenna is connected? Yep. Not a thing. I hate when this happens. Nothing at all. Really? Okay, don't panic. No panic. We're feeding it with 99 volts. That should be enough to do the trick. How come? $35 watts. $61 watts is what it's rated for. So that's pretty interesting. So we're running it with a little less voltage than what it should, but it's way lower on the wattage. I don't know what to make of that. Well, that's really disappointing. I kind of expected it to work. There's got to be something going on here. What could be going on? I don't really have the volume turned up at all. Maybe that's what was happening. Let's try that again. Didn't have the volume turned up, Jim. Isn't that just terrible, that interference? I'm going to try something different here. Get away from that interference. It's just terrible. Let's try a loop antenna on it. Okay, I'm going to take off the other antenna. Oh! Took the ground off, and look at this. Really? How come you're humming like that? Let's try a different ground here. Just a handier one. This shouldn't make a difference here. It did not. Well, I'm not sure what's going on with the hump, but we're just going to get rid of it like that for now. So many things to look into. So many things. Okay, let's put this loop antenna on here. Okay. I guess I bumped my camera there. Whoa. Just an antenna connection here. So, it's fading up and down. What's happening, man? Lousy antenna connections. Where'd it go? We were doing good there. Where'd it go? It's not me making it disappear. Just these terrible connections here. And now it's coming back. Ooh, that sounded like a tube heater going off and on. Oh, jeez. Come on, man. Did I not solder one of the... Well, you know, I do live near a big lake, so maybe I'll take this out in the lake now and motorboat my way across it. Oh my gosh. What have I done to it? Hey, man. Fantastic. A fantastic result. I'm going to leave it right there. You know, I'd say probably 90% for sure I made a mistake somehow doing those capacitors, although I was extremely careful doing it. Or maybe I didn't solder one of them properly. Or I don't know. But I'm out of time for this morning. So another quick video showing how to deteriorate a radio's operation. Thanks a lot for watching. Tomorrow I'll figure out what the motorboating is and we'll try to actually finish this guy off tomorrow. Depends on the weather. Weather's beautiful again today, so I'm on my way outside. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.